All right, anyway, again, everybody, hope you are enjoying Memorial Day. We've got a great hour this hour with all kinds of great items that involve cleaning around your house without any harsh chemicals and helping to get rid of bugs and helping to clean things. Well, Sienna Visio, which is a top name in the business, has come up with a really cool thing called the window cleaner, the window steam cleaner. And most of you out there probably think when I clean a window, right, I'm gonna get some of the blue spray and I'm gonna spray it on the window and that chemical will break down the grease. That's pretty much what happens. And then they buy more and more and more. And you either have ammonia in there or some sort of weird chemical. Why do that when you can do it every single day at no extra cost just by filling this thing with water? Ordinary tap water, and it will break down the grease, it'll break down the grime with no chemicals needed. So you can do any window, mirrors, shower doors, kitchen fixtures, bathroom fixtures. It's loaded with great accessories and brushes. They even give you 2 squeegees, which I love, so you can do the smaller little window panes when you're doing indoor, outdoor cleaning in your house. And then you can also do larger cleaning like if you're doing shower doors. So let me quickly show you before we meet Terry, let me show you quickly what you're gonna get in this, because I love that Sienna Visio does this. First of all, here's the machine itself. All you do is you take ordinary tap water, you fill it up, they give you a little funnel and you pour it in. That should give you about 10 to 15 minutes of continuous cleaning. You also have, which one, Charlie, this one? Oh, to sort of see it? There you go. Yeah, then you can sort of see how, there you go. There you go. So just want to make sure you get a better shot of it. So this is the tank right here that you fill up, and there's a little water line that you fill right to there. And then you get these concentrator brushes. These are for scrubbing, so if you're doing appliances and things like that, or sinks, you can do that. In fact, here's Terry. Say hi to Terry. And she's actually got a window, a SCSI window, that you're going to clean for us.
Probably can't see me very well right now. So the way to use the Sienna window steamer, and this is truly the ultimate way to clean your windows without all the chemicals, no matter how dirty they are, if they have pollen, grime, road salt, it doesn't matter. Whatever has mucked up your windows, the Sienna window steamer is going to clean it. So we start out steaming the dirt first. So this is what I like to do. I like to go up and let the steam do the action. Let the steam do the cleaning for me, because that steam is literally going to melt and emulsify whatever is on the window. So get it all steamed up, steam up those windows, and then go back with your squeegee and squeegee on down. Now, check that out. That window is so clean, and not only that, but it's dry already because the steam is super hot. It melts all the crud. You squeegee it down, and it's clean, just like that. 9.5 ounce volume tank on this, so it runs and runs and runs. You've got a safety on and off touch of a button, and the machine turns off. It heats up in seconds with a heat exchange design system. We're gonna come back and clean the other half of that, but I wanted you to see side by side, yeah, the comparison between the clean side and the dirty side.
It's amazing, and if it just did windows, it would be great, but there's a bunch of attachments, like I said earlier, brushes and things like that, so when you want to clean up areas like in and around your sink, if you want to do faucets, if you want to do, you know, we've got all kinds of demonstrations set up here, kids areas, so, you know, where you don't want to put that chemical stuff down. You know, you're cleaning around your babies or you're cleaning around your pets, you want to be able to use the power of steam just by putting ordinary tap water in. So Terry, what else are we going to do?
Well, I want to show everyone, too, how quickly it heats up, and like you said, we have 2 different squeegees. You saw the big 11-inch squeegee over there. This is the 9-inch squeegee, which is great if you have like smaller window panes, smaller areas to get into, or French windows, things like that. So my unit is turned on. By the way, with the heat exchange system, you don't have to wait for it to cool off in order to refill it. You can literally just open it up, even while it's on, fill it up. It comes with a great little funnel and a measuring cup. Ordinary tap water, by the way, so you don't have to use you know, any kind of fancy water, and refill it as you go along. So I have the inside button here. Touch of that button. Now, you can hear the pump. It's a heat exchange system. It's pumping up to the heater. How quickly it starts to heat up. I mean, what was that, like 5 seconds, 10 seconds? Not even. So it heats up very, very quickly. Not only can you do the windows, but you can also do the mirrors. So we've got fingerprints here. Now the same thing, I'm gonna let that steam, get it all heated up, steam up those mirrors, and then go back with the squeegee and squeegee those fingerprints away. Look at that.
Wow.
Isn't that amazing?
That's
We're gonna go over
crazy.
here to the stainless steel. Stainless steel is the biggest pain. I don't know about you, but I know they look good in the kitchen, the dishwasher, the oven, the refrigerator, but it's a mess. So again, let the steam heat it up. By the way, as you know, superheated steam, being over a couple hundred degrees, also helps to eliminate the germs and bacteria and cooties and things like that. So stainless steel, dry erase boards. I bet you've used a bunch of different kinds of sprays trying to keep the dry erase boards clean, and they never quite get clean. Well, the steam will get them clean because, again, superheated, it's gonna emulsify and melt even the markers, even the dry erase board, and come back and give it that swipe, and side by side, you see, it gets clean. So everything gets clean. So it's super easy to use. It works on virtually everything. We're gonna come over here and work on some fingerprints and the high chair. Once again, I'm gonna turn this on, hit the trigger. Now, how quickly, how fast? Yeah, it's like
really quick.
Instant clean, instant power. This is the angled concentrator nozzle. You get the concentrator nozzle, 4 of the brushes, 2 of the squeegees. Look at the power of 1,200 watts of steam coming out of there. And a 23-foot-long cord.
Yeah, I mean, you can run around your house and you can clean a whole bunch of stuff.
Sliding glass doors.
You don't need to have the rag and the blue stuff in one hand while you're squirting it all over the place and putting that everywhere. Not only that, but what I love about these concentrator brushes, Terry, is they get into areas you could never get in by just spraying something on there.
Exactly. Well, and you're not just spraying chemicals, you're using something that actually gets it really clean, and then you wipe it off, and you're wiping away the germs. You're wiping away, you know, bacteria, because steam kills. Concentrated steam on a hard surface for a few seconds is going to kill the germs as well, which is really important. So if it's, you know, the teething rings and the baby toys, or dog toys, or, you know, multiple surfaces around the house, but, you know, the sippy cup that falls on the floor. You can keep everything clean. It tackles the really tough jobs around the house, which is really cool because it's not just for windows. It's the best window cleaner you've ever used, but it's great for so many other things. The refrigerator. You ever go to clean the refrigerator and like the door trays and all that stuff are just so nasty.
This is the best way to clean your refrigerator I've ever seen, because it's stuff that spills in there turns into gum. You ever notice that? Even like orange juice, things like that. Yogurt.
It dehydrates. And it
just like
jellifies.
Like your toothpaste does when it gets on a counter after a while. This is a way to emulsify it. I love that you use that word, which basically means just to break down, to melt away, and it gets rid of stuff that you'd never be able to get. Because first of all, there's cracks and crevices all inside a refrigerator, just like there are on your stove, there are in your sinks, there are in your faucets. There's no way to clean those unless you want to get out with a toothbrush. Well, that's what this is, a big steamy toothbrush that can get in any crack or crevice.
That's true. It's like a big power steamy toothbrush.
It's a steamy toothbrush.
So for grout, again, hard surfaces, soft surfaces, stuffed animals, toys, things like that that the kids play with, you can steam them. And again, because it is steam, it will kill germs and bacteria as well. So you're not just getting the sticky fingerprints and the, you know, gooey soy sauce off the refrigerator shelf. You're getting rid of germs as well, and multiple surfaces in and around the house. All of the attachments that you need, it's Sienna quality. They are the leading manufacturer in the world of steam tools, power steam cleaning. We do the Sienna steam floor cleaner here.
Look at everything you get here. And again, so you have, this is the concentrator nozzle that fits over the top, and then you have this is a little arch tip so that you can actually get into cracks and crevices. Little angle brush. So if you want to, even if you want to get, you want to get up underneath a toilet bowl. This is a great way to clean your toilet bowl. By the way, that's why we give you 4 brushes. You're like, why do I need 4 of the same brush? Well, because some brushes you might use in an eating area. Some you might use in a going area. So you kind of, you don't want the twain to meet, so to speak. So you're going to get 4 different brushes to use different areas. It's free shipping today. It's for Flex because we are celebrating, our holiday weekend. So we're sharing that with you out there. Take advantage of it. All right. This is where the rubber meets the road.
Up on the float here, in the bathroom, the dirt you can see, the dirt you can't see. I mean, it's like blasting the crud out from where the faucet meets the porcelain. Again, the solid surfaces, a few seconds of steam is gonna kill the cooties and the germs. Plus, I gotta tell you, nothing shines that chrome or the brass up like the power of steam. A simple wipe and it's clean, it's shiny, it's beautiful. Get into the nooks and crannies behind that fixture, down into the sink. If you ever have like strange odors coming out of your garbage disposal, yeah, pop that steamer down there for a few seconds, and it helps to eliminate that. Emulsifies that toothpaste, the fingerprints, and then once it's liquefied, all you have to do, makeup, all you have to do is wipe it off. There's that lipstick. And, you know, I've got teenage daughters that love makeup. I gotta tell you, having a powerful steam cleaner in the bathroom is absolutely essential for cleaning and wiping away the makeup and the fingerprints. It does such a great job.
And you know, everything that you use in there, from the makeup to like even for like shaving cream, they're all things that that get sticky and messy and cake up and get in, and they get in all these cracks and crevices.
And if you don't get to them right away, they dry, and then they're like cement.
Yeah. All right, we have about 30 seconds left.
Okay,
Terry's gonna do one more demo of that window, because you have to check this out. And I'm telling you, do it on your car windows. You ever get the bug stuff on your window and you can't get it off? This stuff is amazing. So show them one more time, Terry.
All right, so we let the head of steam build up, and again, it's just a touch of the button, and within seconds, I've got that head of steam. Let the steam do the work for you. Let that powerful 1,200 watts of steam melt the fingerprints, melt the junk and the gunk, and then that squeegee wipe.
You can see us. That is unbelievable. And you know what else is nice? There's absolutely no
chemicals.
No dust from paper towels.
No lint.
You don't have to deal, lint. You don't have to deal with that either. All right. $69.95, everybody. It's a great deal. And it's free shipping and handling. And remember, only $17.49 to get home. Good job.
Thank you so much.
Thanks for clearing things up for us.
Yeah,
You're amazing.
Pleasure.
All right, don't forget, part of our Memorial Day weekend celebration with you is free shipping on any clearance purchase of $75 or more. If you want to check out our clearance items, you can check those out. You can check out the free shipping. Oh, we're still doing our savings frenzy over there, which allows you at least 50% off of thousands of different items. Okay, so there's a product here called